A chip no larger than a grain of rice, how can it change the world? For over half a century, the IC card has written a legendary chapter in the history of digital civilization. In 1970, French engineer Roland Morino opened the door to the world of IC cards. The early prototype laid the groundwork for a coming revolution. By 1995, Shenzhen's public transportation system became the first to adopt this technology. Its convenience, security, and efficiency quietly disrupted traditional modes of information exchange, turning the concept of one card for all into reality. By 2022, IC cards had swept across the globe, from instantaneous financial transactions to seamless public transit, from precise identity verification to intelligent management in diverse scenarios. This small card had silently woven an efficiency network for the industrial age, reaching into every corner of daily life. Now in 2025, the original vision remains, and the journey continues. Backed by 15 years of expertise in IC card manufacturing, CardCube Group SRFID Smart Card Factory integrates innovations like contactless technology and NFC biometric identification. Today, SIC card has long since transcended its traditional form, evolving into the key to an era of universal connectivity. Behind each generation of upgraded cars lies humanity's enduring desire and relentless pursuit of a truly connected world.